Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. And my friend keeps saying cope that coping cat. So I'm trying to see what the heck that means. Uh just says cat tray. I don't get it. Anyways. No! That's my science project. I forgot it was in Windows. Back and recording. I'm back in recording. Oh, yes. Yes. What's a construction hat? I've never seen it before. Is it worth anything? Actually, I think I seen this like when you first enter AJ. Like something, saw someone wearing it. Okay, first I gotta change these eyes. Because I like these eyes. Those look cute too. Like a really light gray. Oh, he's so cute with a giant, big old diamond ring the size of your eyeball. I've seen that a lot before. Whoa. Yes. Oh yeah, Gemini scarves look really cute on bunnies. Oh, that looks cute too. Nah. Oh wait, yep. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm done. That looks so adorable, in my opinion, of course. And then there's a lot of cool things you can do with the things here. I really like that, just not that. I kind of like this one or this one. How about this one? Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing a sister role play today, guys. Oh wow, you're rare. Yes. Oh, it doesn't let me say yes. Yes. Only says yes with a crap ton of S's. Yes. Ugh. What does that mean? Does that mean like with a U in front of it? Like, oh, is that what that means? Ow. I have a sore throat and I'm sick right now. But I'm rarer. Is she testing my limits? Let's see what I got over here. Which color, which color, which color? Let me clean everything. Hold up, I'm gonna literally try. No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna try to get like my rarest things from top to bottom. Top hat. Spike. Or do I have? Well, I think a beard is rarer than that spike, but oh well. My eye. Hold up. Please let me do it. No, you can't dab? Actually, dab was like a really old thing anyway, so whatever. I remember when someone first told me the dab, I was like, what the heck is a freaking dab? Because I remember I'm like, what do you mean like dab, like when you dab on makeup? They're like, no, the dab. And then they were trying to show me. I'm like, what the heck is that freaking dab? And it was funny because I had no clue what it was, and literally everyone knew what that was at the time. And I didn't go out on the computer a lot. I was usually out playing with my friends. So it was funny because literally everyone knew it. And I was like, what the heck is a freaking dab? So Yeah, he ended up showing me what the dab was. And it was humiliating because I didn't even know how to dab right. And it was just messed up. Ow, my eyes. She's mean. Why are you being mean to me? I thought we were sisters. Oh yeah, sisters are mean to each other, right? Throws up. Wait, let me say that. Yes. Throws up. Oh, I even have the emotion. That looks kind of gross. It looks like you just swallowed it. Whoop. Swallowed. Sis, you okay? My eyes. My eyes. They hurt. They hurt. Yes. They hurts. That's enough. Place on computer. Yay, 6 diamonds. I'm so rich. I'm gonna say BRB. Why should she be doing that? I don't know. BRB. I want to actually change my look because I don't like this look. Like I just not for the time range of time. I like this friendship look though. It looks pretty lit, man. I hate when I say that. It sounds so cringy. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for my OG look. That's it, right? Yeah. OMG, guys, she's a wolf. Ah! Run, 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 run. Guys, she's a wolf. Oh, I'm gonna hide behind here. Can I hide? Coat me, cop, cat. What the heck does that mean? What does that mean? I'm gonna hide behind here. I totally gave it away. You can't see me. You're in the freaking car. What do you mean? Oh. Dies. Dies. Digs. Digs. Sis! You ran me over. You ran me over. You ran me over. Help. Why? I did not. She gets out of the car. I did not. Oogie. Wait. Oogie. And then just goes back on the computer. She faints. Plays AJ. I know when people go on the computer, they say like play AJ. I'm like, oh. Just stay right there, okay? Just stay right there. A firework. LOL, you got 1 gem. What? I don't think I got one, dude. Okay. I could totally, never mind. I'm not gonna do anything because I don't want to hurt her feelings. Like she just did to me! What time is it? My parents are gonna come back in 20 minutes. Well, I got the better emotion. Ew, that was so ugly. I'm never doing that again. I won this in that weird place for pets stuff. Engines. What do engines do? Rumble? Engines rumble. JK, ah! Oh my gosh, that's so mean. What kind of parties are they having right now? It's only a party. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe.